All right, in the middle of this trade, I already took partials at entered around in this BPR. That's not a CIVI, that's a BPR. In a macro, it's on this BPR. Inside a macro, I'm looking for this to become a breaker block. And let's see if we hit this 1 minute CIVI up here. And I'm looking, love it to retrace all the way back up here, but I don't know if it will. Not retrace, but go all the way up there. So let's see what happens. I'm showing my stop behind under this rejection block right there, and so I got a BPR. I don't want it to close behind under here, so let's just see. I got one take profit right here, and then the other one I'll leave up here, but I just doubt that it'll get there, but we'll see. Leave that as a runner, and I would love to retrace back to 50% or so and then go short again, but I'm pretty sure we've hit low of day. This is previous day low right here, so let's see if that's true. And yep, perfect. This is becoming a breaker. Looking on the 1 hour. 1 hour looking pretty good. We're displacing off that 1 hour BISI, still holding up, and we're inside a 4 hour BISI as well. So a lot of support. We're deep in discount of this current range. Yeah, looking good. I think we're gonna reach for this 1 minute unfilled CIVI right here. Pretty good entry at 65.50 is my entry, right above the BPR. I had to be quick on that, so glad that I got that. Breaker is looking like it's holding. That's great. And let's see here. I think that's gonna hit, and then I'll move my stop to break even once we hit that peak profit target. Okay, might come back and hit this breaker, so we gotta wait for the next macro. Created an order block here. Order block. I think this is a change in state of delivery. This is a breaker. I don't have a FEG in here. Volume imbalance, 30-second volume imbalance. I have a 30-second BISI right here, so it is a unicorn, but not a super strong one because it's 30 seconds. I mean, seconds, little volume imbalance. I need to respect this volume imbalance right here. Perfect, it is respecting that. And bounce off the breaker. So I got the repeated arrays right here, so I'm gonna put my stop above. I don't want this any of this to get disrespected. So I'm gonna put my stop at break even because this is 3 PD arrays. Breaker, BISI, and should respect. So I put my, okay, volume balance is respected. Need this 30-second BISI to hold. So I'm gonna put my stop at break even pretty much. Free trade. I need this breaker to hold and to create some yeah, it's looking good. So the volume balance is not really holding. Go order block right here. Need this order block to hold. Let's go on the 1 minute because this is the order block right here. Need this order block to hold. And this 30-second BISI, so it's a free trade for me, so I don't really care, but I love it to go up and hit that 1 minute. Hit this TP right, hit this TP. That's what I really love. Come on, don't do that. There's a little BPR right here. Need this order block and this 30-second BISI to hold. There we go. Come on, don't fail on me. See what range this is. So that's technically kind of 50% if I were to just measure this dealing range. Probably be this dealing range right here. So we might come back and just head back down, retest this BISI. Yeah, this is the current kind of smaller time frame dealing range. And let's see if we can hit up to, this would be the OTE if I wanted to short again right here. This is 50%, but I'm not trying to short into this BISI, 1 hour BISI. Nope, I think I might hit my break even. Come on, hold buddy, hold. Come on, 30-second BISI, hold it. Bounce. Need this breaker block to hold, no. Okay, this order block failed. Not a good sign. I think we're heading back down because we just hit 50% of this range and then retrace, head back down, might retest BPR. But let's see, it's just kind of chopping around inside this breaker block. And stop.
Order cancelled.
Okay. Stopped, but yeah, it was a good run. Let's see here, if this breaker is failing, then let's see, hit into this BPR. Yeah, when we were outside the macro, this volume of bounce failed, and this breaker block is, or order block has failed. Let's see if this 30-second BISI holds it up. It's not looking good because bodies are closing below the CE of the BISI and the 1 minute breaker block, but oh, look at that, it's popping up. Shoot, man, maybe I should have left my stop down here because it came down and hit my stop. But let's see, we're gonna get some resistance right here. Looks like this volume imbalance is getting respected. I didn't see this just till now. Dang it. Tiny little volume imbalance. Dang it. I think we're gonna hit here. Okay, if we do that, should I short it? No, I'm not gonna do anything. Two in between right now because we're in between I mean, this technically is a bearish breaker block right here. So if we get up to here, I might short. Bearish breaker block. Let's see what type of liquidity is engineered as we head back up, if we head back up here. And then we'll see if there's a short opportunity. Nope. Looks like we just hit 50% of this range and then head back down. We got to get past this BPR and this volume imbalance. CP bearish because we might bounce. We're not in a macro, or we just hit our macro. Okay, there we go. So we just hit our macro 1150, and yep, glad I put my stop at break even. It looks like it was just a retrace of 50% and then headed back down. If we let's see here, we're on the hourly. We have 9 minutes left to close on this hourly, so if we close below this, that's a great sign. That means we're bearish, super bearish, and we're probably gonna head to test this implied fair value gap. That's if we close above or close below. This previous day lows right here, which I don't think will sweep because we swept previous day highs already. So probably save these for tomorrow. And let's see here, 8 minutes left. See how this closes. BPR is invalid. Actually, let me just before I erase all these, let me just journal my trade there. Yeah, I think we're heading down. $11.37. 37, got in right around here. Right about, I think my stop was under here, target was there, and my first TP hit. Let's see here, what's this hourly doing? 7 minutes left. I think we're heading down. We're looking pretty bearish. We might tap into this implied 4-hour fair value gap, and if we inverse this 4-hour, then we'll definitely be bearish. We got 2 hours left. Let's go back in the hour, the 15. What's ES doing? ES is tapping into the 1 hour BISI, which has been violated. So it's tapping into the daily BISI. So anyways, let's talk through this. This is my entry. Let me just journal this in here. First TP was here, I think. First TP was 978.75. Yep, right there. That's great. TP1. Which was, how many handles is that? That is, I mean, that's, um, 670, 65 to 78. It's like 13 handles. About 13 handles. Nice. Not bad. 10 handles or more is what I'm looking for, so it's good. I'm happy with that. And yeah, I should have got out at this 50% or took a partial to 50%. That's okay. Okay, let's record this. Okay, let's go today. What macro is this? This is this, what did I do? Got long. This was, entry was BPR plus high time frame BISI, BPR, high time frame BISI, and I guess my target was IRL, and show smooth highs, and then unfilled, which didn't get there. 1137, 1147. So on, let's see how many here. $53 and then $2. So 53, $55. Thesis entry of BPR delivering from 1 hour BISI. Dang, another entry would have been this 50% retracement. Go bearish. Let's see here, where are we at? 2 minutes left. Let's see if we close below this see if we can close below this, or we might just chop around. Let's see. Anyways, okay. Let's see here. When and chilling emotions, calm and delighted when TP1 hits so quickly. Oh yeah. Also entered on macro time. I'm gonna move myself to break even. So TP1 hit. What worked? Putting bid in once BPR retested. Moved TP1 up a little above smooth highs. Dang, we're dumping right now. We are definitely going down. This is great for my calendar. Okay, yep. I think we're gonna close below and inverse this hourly BISI. If we close below this, that's a good short. Okay, improvements. I don't know if there's much I could approve on here. That was a pretty good BPR play. maybe could have taken profits. Oh, so you're taking profits at 50%. TP2 at 50% range, and could have entered short. But that would have been, yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, boom. Copy that. Boom. Put that in. Put that in there. All right, that was a good little play. Let's go.